This is a little video of my friend Mark and I going out on his boat to do a little early July fluking. We went out Saturday, July 8th, 2023. As you can see, the weather, it was didn't look that great. It was nice and cloudy in the morning, but it did clear up and burn. The sun burned everything off pretty quickly within an hour or so of us being out there. Once we got to the spot that we were fishing, Mark caught the first fish pretty quick. I didn't even have time to get my my hat cam on or get the camera set up, so I just grabbed the rail mount camera from the intro and just put it on just so we could at least get the first one on video.
It's right there.
It was a nice little short and it was safely released.
Heavy?
As soon as I...
Anyone that's been fishing in the ocean for fluke definitely knows what this is. So what we caught here is, this is our first of many skates that we would get for the day. You just feel a lot of weight on the line. Sometimes you'll feel them swim, sometimes you don't. A lot of times they just ball up and you're just pulling up all that resistance. But either way, it's always nice to catch something. That's the way I always looked at it anyway.
Hang on, I think it's right there.
You good?
I think so. Let's see. Use this hook getter outer.
Clear nose skate.
Mark's going to use a dehooker here just to show how nice and easy they are to use and how clean of a release you can get with the fish. So it's definitely a lot better than sitting there and fighting with pliers just to try to get the same effect.
It's small. Now it's there.
Mark's going to pull this fish up all the way from the bottom, about 65 or 70 feet of water, and it wasn't even bit on the hook. It was actually just bit on the tail of the gulp.
It was hanging on the bottom.
Really?
It wasn't even hooked. It was hanging on the bottom. Look, its teeth bit this off.
Yeah. I think he's a little
I ended up catching my first fluke of the day using a Thundermist lure Viper spoon. I generally use it only when I'm doing a fast drift and I put a heavier weight and just let it be a dead stick right behind the boat. But I had it all set up and I just wanted to get to the bottom real quick so I could set up for jigging. So I caught this fish fairly quick and it was safely released.
Nice little fluke. What is it?
It's a big ass fluke, please.
Oh, that's a nice one.
So Mark catches the first keeper of the day. It's the fish measured out to about 2.5 inches and was kept and put in the box.
Nah, fluke. How the hell did I get him like that?
I caught him looking. Got a slot or too small?
I don't know. It might be a slot. But that's weird. Look at it. It went through his gill. Have you ever seen that?
You might just commit a murder.
That is so weird.
As you can see in the video, the fish is actually hooked in the gill. And it measured out just over 17, so it was a slot. But I wasn't sure if the fish would survive. I generally do not keep slot fish. I'm not always just out. I'm just fishing for fun. I'm not out there to always bring meat home. But we're going to measure him out. We're going to measure him out twice, and you're going to see that he's just over 17 on both measurements.
Should I measure him again just to make sure? Most likely, he was hooked in the gill. I mean, maybe. I'll take my tape measure out.
I got a tape measure out there.
Let's just see. Yeah, he's over 17.
So with it now confirmed, it becomes our second keeper for the day.
Just over.
Possibly a netter.
Where's the net?
I think it's over here near me. It felt like a fluke. Let's see. At first, there's plant man. I finally got it. It's circling, isn't it?
That's a tuna. Big tuna.
I know it's not a tuna. We were listening to guys about 20, 25 miles out talk about catching tuna out there at some different sites in my area.
Hit any vital organs?
No.
But it is a nice little short that is easily and safely released.
Think it'll survive?
Hope so.
So?
The Explorer.
I didn't realize how bad a shape it was in.
Did I lose this? I thought I set that hook pretty good. I think I lost this fish.
Nope, you got it. He tells me I'm going to sell it as Explorer.
So I felt the tugs on this one, and I thought I lost it. It's not realizing it was so small, but I didn't realize until I saw it that the fish was still there. Little baby that's safely released.
Little one? Yeah, 15 and a half, 16. Yo, come here. Net?
Yeah, stand by with the net. Should be a spot. Just stand by, I'm not sure. Now, see, it's still tugging.
Netted or no?
No, that's not a spot, is it?
If it is, it's like barely. Oh, it shook off itself.
Shake and bacon. Bye.
There it goes.
This is me losing a fish because the dead stick was in the way as I tried to get the pole underneath the dead stick line. I guess I
That's
put
a little
slack on it
embarrassing.
and I lost the fish.
What are you doing?
And
Oh,
now
I was just coming.
realized it.
And well, I'm good at hooking them and then losing them.
Oh, man. Sorry.
I got it. This is a fluke.
Ah, mine let go. That?
I don't know. Maybe.
One your left.
No, it's a foul hook. No, it's not a foul, but it's not a. I doubt that that's a slot. Definitely way too short. Oh, the world's tiniest. Oh no, that's a sundial. Baby. Come on. Look at that one. Good one?
I'll say no.
And it's a good release. Oh, I thought I lost. Oh, he just was swimming up with me. I've never had to reel fluke in that fast. Did you see my pole just go straight? Like I thought I lost him. All right, come here. We'll get you off. There you go. Good job. See Robin. Maybe. If it is, it's a tiny fluke. Tiny fluke it is. Yeah, you got that thing?
There you go.
Thank you. Let go of my fluke. My gulp. Thank you, sir.
So we ended the day putting 2 fluke in the box. We caught 15 fluke total, a handful of sea robins, probably 7 or 8, and probably 10 or so skates. So overall, not a bad day fishing, just for like a 5 or 6 hour trip. All right, thank you very much for watching, and let me know what you think of this new format with me doing the narration. Thanks, bye.